big mosque on our left side. Oh, should it? Oh, here? Oh. Oh my gosh! Lobby!
I'm watching where I'm going. I'm not.
Oh my gosh! I'm so scared to cross the street.
Crossing the street, but you're following
I
behind.
know. I'm
for
just
95
following.
seconds, and that's not
I'm
fair.
just following you.
Why? You should
I
check
don't
yourself.
know. Check yourself before you wreck yourself. I'm saying that to myself. Hello, it's our first full day here at George Town, and I just wanted to show you what our accommodations looks like right now. It's being cleaned by the housekeeping, but I wasn't able to show this in my, well, one of my previous videos when we checked in last night. There's actually a very pretty second floor. It's like loft style, and basically up here they used to have a projector which would have beautiful shows there by the wall, and there's a freezer here. There's nothing here because we're very lucky. Eddie and I are the only people here, and an empty fridge except for a can of tea. What is it? A can of tea. But it's quite nice because check out the view of Georgetown in Malaysia. You can really see the roofs are super how do you say it, like it's been around since the early 1900s, and majority of the population back then, and I think still today, is the Chinese. But it's just so nice to see how they have preserved history. And because you're in the loft, it tends to get hot. There's AC there. You have your filter water, kettle, but today's highlight is Eddie's food. Took him a long time. Our food. He bought what is it called? I
think it's called a tsunami.
Tsunami? You said hurricane a while ago.
It's same.
Tsunami, hurricane. We're gonna set up something to watch while we eat. But okay, so while Eddie's setting up, I'm just gonna open the container to show you. Da-da-da-da. We bought this, or Eddie got this at an Indian restaurant called, we don't know the name, but just Google it, it'll come out. Well, it's like the only roti shaped. Well, it's a roti with delicious bits in the center. You might not appreciate it as much because it's in a takeaway, but oh my gosh, look at that egg. Not close. Look at that eggy veggie. Looks so good. What's the one on top? Is it cheese? Oh my god. Oh, can I ooze one out?
Ooze one out.
Or you want to do it for us?
Just whatever.
Oh, okay. Let me show you the ooziness.
It's great.
Yeah, it looks well. It's definitely uncooked, but if you're used to stuff like this, it's gonna be okay. Oh my gosh, look at that. Okay, let's have a teaspoon of egg yolk. Let's give this to Eddie first. Just a spoonful of egg yolk. Helps the medicine go down. And one for us too. Let's eat. So creamy. Wow. So this is a home run. When you go to Georgetown, come with an empty belly, come hungry, because every corner, oh my god, it's food trip. Yeah? Food trip. And we've got some dal with a roti. Okay. Can I just show fast now? While we're setting up. Roti in Manila is so mahal because we don't have that much roti restaurants. If ever the restaurants are there, they're in like a fancy mall. Or if they're not in a fancy mall, it's just not in every corner, so they sell it more mahal. Whereas here, This is a fraction of. Look at that, it's proper roti. Oh, I love roti. There's Eddie going through. Oh my god, chicken. What is that? Chicken, roti, cheese,
Just be careful of the bones.
and egg yolk. Oh my lordy. You know what? You want me to set it up here para you can eat it better? Lucky goose.
Yeah.
Look at that. I didn't even notice. Check this out. Or the one under here. Yeah, that's a hot dog there. Yeah. Okay, cool. Very, very different. You don't normally see a hot dog in a roti. But anyway, it makes up the hurricane vibe. Cheese, egg, yolk, chicken, and hot dog.
To taste it, I just hope it's safe.
It's processed, so there's going to be a lot of salt. And I guess it's preserved somehow. The salt kind of kills bacteria. No, it doesn't. I don't know.
Maybe the eggs.
Well, alright. See you later. Funky pan. What's Eddie taking a picture of? That's a sweetie shop? Are you going in? Oh, imported snacks. Thank you. Yeah, it says China, Taiwan.
Chocolate crisps that you get in the cheese place in San Andres, Torres.
Which one, the Lays?
You get them in the
Oh,
the deli.
Torres. Yeah, yeah. Oh, truffle. Check this out. Yeah, we've tried those chips. They're really delicious. But let's go check out the snacks. You'll find a lot of this in the Philippines too, actually. With a growing trend of different snacks. There's nothing.
Cards and get you like that.
They can eat a faster shutter speed. Eddie's looking at the drinks. Union Jack.
Oh,
Same
Connors,
price?
you like Connors. I never see Connors in
I've
the
actually
UK.
never tried Connors. I
It's
don't-
in. You
How do
said
you-
you like it.
Really? Oh, when
did,
did I
yeah.
try it?
No, you said you like it like
Only,
when
only
we were
because
in.
it says South Quarter.
Okay. When we were in, where was that?
Ipoh.
Cameron.
Cameron.
Cameron getting the pizza.
I haven't. I don't remember trying
You said you
it.
liked it.
Only because it says South Quarter.
You said you tried it.
Ah. Ay nako. Are we looking for anything in particular? Oh, we tried this really delicious dessert. It's a durian mochi. I don't know if they'll have it here. You can find it in Family Mart, 7-Eleven. Are you good? Alright. Okay, let me do that. You don't want to see the live music? Ah, it's okay. We can log in. I know, food. This is a rickshaw, no? A different kind of rickshaw because this one is like a bicycle.
They're all the same family.
The original rickshaw is like someone,
Human beings.
like yeah, guys running or walking. This one is a bicycle. Bicycle. The other way. Okay. Welcome to George Town on a trending evening. A trending evening. I don't know. What's happening.
I've drank it, man. Kopi lawa.
Oh yeah. Look at the fishies. You see that? There. Oh, dun, dun, dun. wow, look at that fabric. Oh, I have a thing for funky fabric. Well, my pants are not super funky, but that's cool.
Pants are not super funky.
No, they're not. I think they're... No, like those are patched up.
They're on the funky scale.
Really? Not enough.
Take a photo.
Oh, the cat?
Yeah. Well,
Ooh, look
my
at this
SD
one.
card was dodgy. And like a lot of the photos were like damaged.
Sorry, it's so addicting. Your SD card's terrible.
Yeah. I
How
bought a
many
cheap one
words?
just experimenting.
Oh,
Some of the photos were
a cheap SD.
I
Man,
was
I
just
would
doing it
freak
to
out.
Experiment. I thought, like, how bad could it be? But yeah,
And it was
it's
bad.
not worth it,
Yeah, I would panic because even original SDs, I'm so worried of, I don't know, they malfunction. Oh, no drinking over the age. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at the decoration inside the furniture. Man, I didn't even know. Okay, coming to Georgetown. Coming to Georgetown, I didn't know this place was a UNESCO World Heritage. So a lot of the history here is so preserved. I mean, just look at the second floors. It's a really, really nice place. You almost feel like you're going back in time during the early 90s or the late 1800s, which is cool. So, yeah. And a lot of people taking photos and videos. Seriously, Vietnamese. Momokaka. What are you taking a photo of?
I'm very familiar with these because I looked at the photos so many times. I took a photo of that before.
The purple guy?
Like
Oh, watch out, Malco.
am I taking a photo of?
Wow, that's so pretty. So purpley. What's going on here? Oh, look at these cool motorbikes for rent. Very, very pretty colors. Pipes. Ludwig. Labi, where's Ludwig? Is that Germany? Ludwig. That's a place. Oh my god, that ice cream looks good. I've been craving for ice cream. Oh man. Oh my god, it looks so good. It looks like purple, but it looks like delicious chocolate. Oh man, when are we gonna start the food trip, Lappy Doos? Back again.
I just want to put it.
Should we try? Oh, there's chendol here. Durian ice cream. It actually looks like a durian. Okay, well, to know that, well, it doesn't look authentic, so that looks like a South Park or Beavis and Butthead. This girl looks like Beavis and Butthead. She doesn't need pee-pee for her bunghole. We're walking here. Ooh. I've seen streets like this so many times with the umbrellas. There's one in Tagaytay actually. Yep, there's a restaurant there. Eddie practicing his photography because he's prepping for a real camera, a professional camera.
I went past Durian a few times today,
Oh.
but I can't exactly bring it back to you.
Oh, you can. Why not? We're the only ones there. Are we passing the same street with the durian?
No, we shouldn't eat it in the accommodation. There's no way.
Well, oh, sorry, Malco. Sorry,
We
what's up?
can't eat it in the accommodation.
Are we passing by more durian places?
I was completely in a different area.
Oh,
Completely, just quite a normal area.
I'm like keeping an eye now on gold earrings. I'm trying not to like.
Hopefully he messages you back. That's it.
I'm sure you will. This African Malayan folks. Look for her earrings. Oh. Pretty place. George Town. Town, UNESCO World Heritage Site. And right now there's some religious stuff going on. Oops! I almost tripped there. It's such an artsy place, super artsy. And aside from it being a part of history, yeah, it's just so quirky. You've got your romantic rickshaw. It's like you're really being brought back in time. Very big mosque on our left side. Oops, should it? Oh, here? Oh. Oh my gosh! Lobby!
I'm watching where I'm going. I'm not.
Oh my gosh! I'm so scared to cross the street.
Crossing the street, but you're following.
I know. I'm just following.
Seconds.
I'm just following you.
Why? You should check
I don't know. Check yourself before you wreck yourself. I'm saying that to myself.
Yeah.
Wait, we're crossing here to take a photo?
I'm taking a photo. You don't have to always.
Okay. Well, I didn't. Well, okay, where do we go now? Oh, it's in the road. To look for some dessert. I'm really craving for something sweet. Me, Eddie. Okay. Are we going straight here? I don't know. Okay. Famous Blacksa corner. Where's that Kimberly?
Kimberly is 500 meters over there.
Okay. What's there? Something sweet?
This is the busiest one.
Oh. Oh, this is the oyster omelette you were thinking of? Oh yeah, that's a lot of oysters. But I'm really craving for something sweet if you ask me. But yeah, any.
Well, I didn't see anything on the road.
Okay, I only saw the Lola here last time. But let's go to Kimberly. Wow. What's in Kimberly Place? What?
I don't know. It's similar. But that's business.
Okay. Well, is there any specific food? Oh my, wild boar. Serving wild boar.
You should get me up here.
Okay. Is there anything specific you want in Kimberly? Malta? Anything specific you want in Kimberly?
But this is I think this is the busiest.
Hello. Oh, I'm looking at the fruits. They don't have durian. I'm craving for durian.
Tend to keep it white and nothing else.
Oh, this is the one, mahal ko. This is the one I saw, and then people were buying from her. Apom. I don't know what apom is.
The char kyo gyao.
Ah, yeah. I remember. This is where you get a chendol? Oh, no. Oh. You wanna try this or no?
Apom.
Yeah? I don't know. I saw some people getting this apom yesterday. I just saw some like old ladies or something. They were all like having it. It's 6.60. It's 60 cents. Do you have 60 cents?
Let's try two.
Oh, just one. That's really saving our stomach space. We're very satu.
I think it's just
Oh, it's just egg? Ah, yeah, maybe it's just egg.
Can you just try one?
Ah, okay, oh, thank you. Oh, it's a very thin, it's a very thin layer. You have no more coins na?
I run out of coins.
Oh my god.
Sorry, that's
Apom is like
that's all I've got, I think.
Apom is a very thin layer of egg. Oh my god, I thought she was gonna put like sugar or something.
More eggy than
Well,
cakey. Let's try. Oh, I want to take a photo, don't I?
Oh, sorry. Oh, I bet it's already. Mm-hmm. Oh, with her, maybe. It's like a crab. Apom.
Yeah.
Terima kasih. Tosya. Tosya. See, look, they're buying also.
Yeah, so
After us.
that's what happens.
When we buy one.
Yeah, we seem to have a talent for that.
Yeah, after we buy food or drinks, other people follow us.
Nice little crap.
Yeah, I know, it's very,
So yours now.
it's like papery.
Yeah, I like the way she makes it. Okay.
Also, I would say it's sweeter than a usual scrambled egg. It's got some sugar in it also.
It's not scrambled egg.
No, it's like a, yeah, like a crab or an omelette.
Cooking jar. Fun.
Ifumi, ifumi. Okay, so where to next?
Do you want to go for this Kimberly?
Oh yeah, what's there? Oh my gosh, durian! Oh, but I've been craving for durian. No, no, it's 50. Oh my god, I'm so excited to durian.
50 cents expensive.
50 pesos? 400? Ah.
If you want the whole fruit. But
Well, maybe we can ask how much the small one is. Let's see. Oh, I guess they have an 8. Yeah, it's actually mahal. 80 pesos. 300.
it smells like it.
I know, it smells so good. I love durian.
We got first flower.
Okay.
Yeah,
You can try.
80 pesos. 300 pesos. 25 pesos? At 250. Stream. Touristy place. Hey, if you're in a not touristy place, durian will be cheaper. In Cameron, we got a big one for 50 pesos, Philippine pesos. So that's like less than a pound. Oh, there's so many people here lining up. Wow, that wasn't that busy last night.